because x is uniform in a to b, so for this function, the slope would be 0, and because all the probability from a to b should be the same, so the slope should be 0, and the value would be 1 over b minus a. And for this function, the slope should be a constant, that is 1 over b minus 1. We can easily get this value by doing the integral. And then when the x is larger than b, the value should be 1, and the slope would be 0 because the max value would be 1. We can easily just find the equation by using the subtraction of the step function, so that the x would only when x is from a to b, there would be the value for the item. So given a is -1 and b is 3, we would know that the b minus a is 4, so the value should be 1 over 4. And because y is the square of x, so we will know there will be 2 conditions when y is from 0 to 1, because when x is from -1 to 0, the x would be the negative, so x should be the negative the square root of y. When x is larger than 0, the x would be the positive square root of y. So when we try to solve the fy, and when y is from 0 to 1, there are 2 conditions we should add them up, and the result is this one. So when y is only from 1 to 9, there would be only 1 condition, so the value should be the half of this in this condition. And we can also easily get the equation by using the step function. From 0 to 1, it should be 1 over 4, and from 1 to 9, there should be 1 over 8. When we try to solve this function, we can just do integral, and it's easily to get this item and this item, but we should also know what is the value of a and b. So when y is 0, the value should be 0, which is also a. And when y is 1, like in this condition, and when y is 1, the value should be 1 over 2, which is also b, and 1 over 4. So b is 1 over 4. So the result would be this one. When we try to get the expected value for y, because y is x squared, we can just solve the expected value for x squared. We do the integral from -infinity to infinity, because fx only have value from a to b, which is also -1 to 3. We can just do the integral using this one, and so it would be the cube of 3 minus the cube of -1, which is 28 over 12. So the result is 7 over 3.